Hello everybody, my name is Tirmal Reddy Balasnetha. My registration number is YOK 19CS1222, and today we are going to discuss about page replacement algorithm. And today in this page replacement algorithm we are going to see about page first in first out, then LRU, that means least recently used, next optimal page replacement. Actually, what is meant by this page replacement? Page replacement is a basic to define paging. It is a complete separation between logical logical memory and physical memory. Within this mechanism, an enthusiast viral memory that can be provided for programmers on a smaller physical memory. There are many different page replacement algorithms. Every operating system probably has its own replacing scheme. A in out a first in first out replacement algorithm associated with each page the time when the page was brought into a memory. When a page must be replaced, the old page is closed. If the recent pass is used as an optimization of the further, then the page has not been used for no longer period of time, and that can be replaced. Then the these then for the least recent used algorithm, the LRU replacement associate with each page the time of page last use. When a page must be replaced, LRU chooses the page that has not been used for no longer period of time. For no longer period of time. For no long period of time. When this least frequency is used, LFU, the page replacement algorithm requires that the page within the small count be replaced. The reason for this selection is that it is an actively used page that should have a large reference count, and in these operating systems that page using of an memory management. When a page replacement algorithm is needed to decide which page is to be needed when the new page comes. And then what is mean by this page fault? Actually, a page fault happens when a program is running when a running program access a memory page that is mapped into a viral viral address space, but not loaded in physical memory. Since this actual physical memory is smaller than virtual memory, then page default happens. In case of page default, operating system might have to be replaced one of the existing pages into newly added pages. Different pages replace algorithm suggestion into different ways to decide which page to be replaced. The target for all the algorithm is to reduce the number of page defaults. And then what is meant by this page hit? If we find the required page in the main memory, well, CPU wants to access the page when it then it is known as page hit. Then we we do not find the required page, then they are called as page defaults. Sorry. At page faults, we have to look into a secondary memory and fetch the required pages and to hold the memory. Then we will look in first in first out. Actually, what is mean by this first in first out means this is a simple This is a simple page replacement algorithm. In this algorithm, the operating system keeps the track of all pages in the memory in a query. The oldest page is in front of the query. When a page needed to be replaced, a page in front of the query is selected from the removal. Now let's check our first program. Yeah, 1 minute. My system is not working. Yeah, 1 minute time. Yeah, print enter the number of frames and end, open and close. Capacity equal to int input f miss top temp 0 temp equal to open close 0 0 no. Print enter the reference string and open close bracket s equal to list map int input dot strip dot split. For I in S, if I not in F, if length F is less than capacity, F append I, else F top equal to I, top equal to top plus 1 percentage capacity, miss equal to miss plus 1. Print next line number of misses is 2 plus string miss print number of hits is 2 plus plus string length s minus miss. Print number of page fault is 2 plus string miss. So let me run my output. First enter the number of frames, so I am entering frames as 3. Then enter the reference string. I am giving as 7 0 1 2 0 sorry 0 3 0 4 2 3 0 3 2 1 2 0 1 7. And I got my number of misses as 13 and number of hits as 5 and number of falls as 13. By this I completed my first in and first out. And the next one is about least recent used. Actually, what is mean by this least recent used? Least recent use. Yeah, least recent use. In this algorithm, the page will be replaced which is least recently used. So print enter the number of frames is 2 and end equal to open and close bracket capacity equal to int input f last miss equal to open close 0. Print enter the reference string, enter s equal to list map int input dot strip dot split. For I in S, if I not in F, if length F is less than capacity I, append I, last append length F minus 1, else index equal to last pop 0, F index equal to I, last append index miss equal to miss plus 1, else last append last pop last index f index I, print next line number of miss is 2 plus string miss number of print number of hits is 2 plus string length s minus miss print number of page false is 2 plus string miss. So let me run this. Number, sorry, enter the number of frames. I'm giving it as 3. Sorry, enter the reference string, so I'm giving as 7 0 1 2 0 3 0 3 0 4 2 3 0 3 2 1 2 0 1 7. And total the number of missings are 12 and number of hits 6 and number of page faults 12. And now let's see about optical page replacement. In this optical page replacement, these pages are replaced which could not be used for longest duration of time in the further. Print enter the number of frames, end equal to open space, capacity equal to int input, f miss pf equal to open close 0 no, print enter the reference string semicolon close comma end equal to open close, s equal to list map int comma input dot strip dot split, occurrence equal to none of I in range capacity for I in range length s, if si not in f, if length f is less than capacity I dot append s1, else for x in range length f, if fx not in si plus 1 fx equal to si break, else occurrence x equal to si plus 1 is to index f of x, else f occurrence is f occurrence index max occurrence equal to si, miss equal to miss plus 1, print next line number of miss plus string miss, print number of hints plus string length s minus miss, print number of page faults is 2 plus string miss. So now let's run our output. Enter the number of frames. I'm entering my frames as 3 and enter the number of reference string as 7 0 1 2 0 3 0 3 0 4 2 3 0 3 2 1 2 0 1 1 7. And my number of misses are 9 and number of hits are 9 and number of page faults are 9. By this I completed my program successfully. Thank you.